Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the ILSPY tool. ILSPY. What is ILSPY actually it is? So it is a perfect for code reading tool. ILSPY is a free and open source tool for the .NET assemblies to browse and decompile. It is mainly used for exploring and reverse engineering the .NET assemblies. Maybe it is a enterprise level application. You can read entire code if it is right in the any .NET platform basically. So today I will take you to a professional uh, installer, so whose code we will going to see today. So I have installed in my system Elsevier ebooks. So basically it's a professional ebook provider. So they are using their reader. So I have installed it and I came to the Elsevier ebooks path which is in the program. So let's take the ILSPY. So what is ILSPY? Basically it is a tool where you can explore it. For example, I will take this ILSPY, and these all are the DLLs which is already a premium provider or premium bookshelf provider. So here I will take for example these 4 books DLLs and I will put into this. So you can see their entire framework versions and all in detail. Also you can explore their informations. So this is the bookshelf. Okay. So this is the base class. So where you can explore the code about it. Similarly, for example, I will come to bookshelf core. So you can see all their flags is exposed here, everything. Also, if I'll come to some of the functions, for example, track mouse events, cell infos, these all are get long flash. Okay. So here if I will come to this, I can see entire code for them. Log file listener, so we can got to know how their log files is working and how they're writing the code or user data folder where they're taking it. So you can see also their splash screen, everything is exposed here. So it's an interface because I single instance log file listener, so how they're listening and writing their codes. Coming to this bookshelf, so how their base model, bootstrappers. So here you can see entire code for them. So you can copy the entire code and you can keep it for yourself to get the same feature in your custom applications as well. So you can see entire logics there, how they're building it, how they're building the API addresses, everything is exposed here. Even if their code structure, everything you can see in detail without any hesitations. So how they're showing their message box, how their the code is there. You can see like how the warning giving for validation as well. So here coming to signature verification, also they have exposed it, so you can get to know what is the certificate thumbprint and how they are verifying it. All this information you can found here. So if you want to break their code or you want to inject something, then you can go for easily. Even if here you can see their user folder plus virtual key data, so some key data is they're passing here, so based on that they're validating. Maybe you can replace this and you can put it up. Also here you can see their user folder, my books, Vittal books and Vittal books. So you got to know where their path it is basically. So from that you can also take the data where they're storing the cache and covers, everything you got to know by this information. So whether they are used development or staging, even if that also we will got the information here. So that's how you can explore all these paths and secret keys. You can find it out throughout the application. Other than that also I will put you some other uh, DLLs, maybe which is their customs, you can check it up. For example, I think I will take these two. Let's explore it. Vital source, control data. See all their button up and down, everything I got to know how they're implementing. So these are the properties basically. Here they have the event, can got to know. Yeah, so here they are numeric up down, how they're calculating and putting here. I can got to know on value change what they're doing basically, how their value is changing. So all these core logics we are get to know now. So this also make you the IL code with the C# as well. So if you switch to it, you can got to know what is the intermediate language, how it is reading it up, and you can based on that you can go for in detail as well. So in the write to format RTF, so that also you'll get to know how they're making it. R2F is a tool where the Saudi Arabian country is following, so their right to left, their approach is in the writing. So you can see the entire code is, I can see without any hesitations directly. So that's how this ILSPY tool is working. You can explore more and you can come with your questions, anything you want to know from my side. Thank you. This